Wow, look at that. The water is so blue. Very beautiful. Yeah, I am day off again today. This is the second day of my day off. I actually having 2 separate days off this week. Yeah, and then tomorrow I'll start my duty at 6 o'clock until 2 o'clock in the coming 3 days. And the next schedule, I don't know yet. Still all alone, just wanna go home. Oh, I miss you, you know. And I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you. It's one lie. I'm fine, baby, how are you? And I would send, but I know that it's just not enough. Yeah, we are here. We're going to Salamander area. Actually, I'm already here in the KFC, and I'm not decided where I am going to eat. The time now is around 12 o'clock. Oh, look at this. This time there are so many cars that are for sale. So this one is 16,200. This one I don't see the price. This one is 6,900. This one is, I don't see, 16,000. This one, wow, this is 5,790. Affordable, no price. Wow, and look at this. This is just 2,000. And this one, how much? This one is 7,800, and this is 14,600. I don't know. I don't see the price. I don't see the price. Oh, this one is 25,000. And this is 12,000. And this is, I don't see it. This one is 17,000. And this is 5,000. Yeah, those are the prices of those used cars. I don't know if I'm going to eat in McDonald's, KFC, or somewhere in the food court. You know, the sun is actually really hot. Yeah, a bit windy, but you know, the sun is hot. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it's already 3 o'clock. I finished my duty at 2:30. Yeah, today is sunny, but it's windy. Also, the wind is very cold compared to yesterday. Yesterday it was very sunny and hot. It's almost summer yesterday. A lot of people in the beach yesterday. Yeah, today no, because it's still cold. This wind is cold. Yeah, I leave my bike there. We are going again to the grocery. You know, I am conscious again because I don't have my cap. They will see my hair. What's that? Oh, it's double, mate. I'm already there and I forgot my telephone. Yeah. Yeah, I'm now used to eat oatmeal in the breakfast. That's why I'm taking this. Yeah, this is $15, and this plastic bag is 99 cents. Now the first thing that I need to do is to cook a rice. It's already late. It's already 4:35. Yeah, we are going to make a tortang talong. I'm doing the laundry. I think it's done. I heard the sound. Yeah. Yes, it's done. Yeah, it's normally showing the minutes. Yeah. And I think it's going to dry until later tonight. It's still sunny outside. It's around 4:30 in the afternoon. I want to flip it nicely, but it's going to be broken. I'm going to dry first my clothes and then I'm going to eat. We'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. How are you today? Yeah, good morning. It's around maybe 5:40, something like that. Yeah, 5:40 in the morning, and I'm going to work. Before 5 o'clock is still dark. Even 5:30, 6 o'clock is still dark before. But these days, it is now like this. Yeah. Good morning. And you know, my battery is now very low. Yeah, as you can see, I have just one battery and it's blinking already. Hey, good afternoon, guys. We're just here to do some time lapse. Yeah, there is a boat that is coming. We'll put the camera here. Yeah, it is now 4:13 and we are going home. Yeah, we are going to the ATM machine to get $250 to pay the rent.